Yo, what's up, gang? Yo, please like and subscribe. So, I'm playing, I forgot the name, ano ulit pangalan? Strongest, hindi strongest battle. Alright, wait. Let me guess it. Gang, I forgot the name. Muscle Legends, yes, Muscle Legends. So, yeah.
Nakalimutan mo yan, di ba? Ayop ka.
Nakalimutan ko nga. Meron kasi ako, di ba merong strongest? Muscle Legends. So, look at my inventory, bro. I'ma give some
Ano ba ulit
Some
pangalan mo?
Bozo
diba?
XOOY. Yeah.
Bozo.
Yeah. If you guys want to donate me, yes, of course. Bozo XOY. So, if you want to donate me, search that thing on offline donate on please donate on offline donate. So, yeah. I'm gonna grind some durability cause I need some durability for real. I want 100 million durability. Bozo XOY, bro.
Haban.
Bozo XOY.
Haban. Sige. Sige. Now, ikaw mag-type dahil ako nilalaman.
Bozo XOY. Soy yan dapat yan eh. Nagkamali ako ng spelling. Soy. XOYO. Soy. Nagkamali lang ako ng spelling.
Fake Lord. Ba't ba ano mo? Sino ba yung si Fake Lord Heaven?
Hindi. Lord Eben.
Wait, bakit wala ka pa rin dito?
Wait lang. Wait. Na.
Wala kasi yata ako dito eh.
Oh my god, bro. There's a freaking 100 million player with 100 million strength, bro. Man.
Bro, your English, it's so balikaw. Sabi na eh, malakas ako dito eh.
Sus.
Kolosan.
Minamute nga lang kita eh.
Ala, hunter na pala ako rito.
Prince, paliit ka. Bibigyan kita. Ayaw mo, gisasapakin kita.
Wag, ito na.
Magpaliit ka. Ito. Para hindi ka ma-target. Ang hina
Sige
naman.
na. Saan ka?
Sino nagpapatay sa'yo?
Ano?
Tara, bigyan kita. So guys, I'm gonna give my cousin some pets. So, let me see.
May babae po ba dito? 1840.
Wala po.
Sabi mo si mama. Wala yung nalib.
May super.
May hinahanap. So, I'm gonna max this pet first. So, my cousin can. Meh. Alright, let's upgrade this thing. My bad. I can't play because I'ma play with my cousin. No, sorry. I'm not accepting trade, bro. Yeah. I can accept some trade if they want to offer some.
Anong yan? Nusuntok ako.
Wait lang, Prince. Hintay ka. Papatayin ko yan. Ito. Alright. All good. Dang! Prince! Tiyan mo makukuha mo, Prince. Tiyan mo.
Bong!
Prince, magiging matibay ka, Prince.
Teka lang.
Bolo ko. Hindi, wag. Lang, wala pa nga eh.
Ano? Ano palag? Ito palag ko.
Tiyan mo, masasayaan ka talaga pag na-max to, gago. This is my favorite pet back then when I started, cause this this pet was my first pet. Yeah. I don't know how to buy some pet, so I'm just begging, and I get this golden phoenix evolved.
No, that's lang ko dyan. Yun.
I can make bleach, but I'm lazy as hell, bro. And my rebirth is only 60. So I'ma pause this until my cousin, my pet goes to 20, and I'ma give it to my cousin. What's up again, guys? I'm done maxing this pet, so I'ma give it to my cousin. Where dog, bro? Accept mo, Prince. So here and here. Accept mo. Alright. So I give it to my cousin. Look how many durability. No, you need 5 rebirth. That's it, alright. Oh my god, you need 5 rebirth. How much strength you have and how much to rebirth? It lang. Hanap lang ako ng Sige, magpaano ka muna. Bigay mo muna sa akin.
Ng ano ko? Ng string.
Bigay mo muna yan sa akin, Prince.
Plus 7.
Oh, shit. Guys, you need 5 rebirth to equip that, bro. Just beach. So you need 5 rebirth to equip the pets. So yeah. Prince, trade Prince.
What can I play?
Give me back your pet. Tapos ano? Ito. Tapos ano, Prince? Bigay mo, ay, hindi. Bigyan mo muna ako ng ano, isa level 1 pet, i-glitch ko para yung pang strength.
Dito, pang string. Dito.
Ito.
Dito, hindi yun. Teka lang.
Ito.
Yan, hit charge. Sige.
Ano level na ba yan? 7? Patingin niya ako. Ito pwede na to. Alright. Let me see. Pwede mo ba ma-equip to? Ay, pwede. Oh, Prince, pinatay ka ng iba.
Ha?
Pinatay ka. Alright, Prince.
Bong! Patay! Ikaw din.
So, I'm gonna make my cousin some glitch. So, just wait that. So, guys, I'm done giving my cousin some glitch pet. So, he's exercising to get 5 wait.
Ano yan yung ano? Ala!
5
Sinatay uli ako!
5 rebirth, so he can get this. Where the fuck is it?
Bro,
This.
I have 3
Bro,
I have 3
this is so OP. Ice is so OP. 1.55k durability.
Rebirth.
And 1, bro.
Ay, pa pala yun, sorry.
Alright, I'ma pause when I will give my cousin some pets. And we will have a part 2. Maybe part 2. Or you can guys suggest what we're gonna play. Yo guys, I didn't record but I give it to my cousin, so that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you always get updated to my other videos. So yeah, bye bye. Tun tun tun.